SmartDraw makes it easier to manage complex diagrams using layers. For instance, if you need to add electrical information to a floor plan, you could add the symbols directly to the layout, but you may find that it quickly becomes too cumbersome to deal with. You might have a harder time modifying the floor plan itself with electrical symbols in the way. It's cleaner to treat the electrical symbols as a separate group and layer them on top of the existing floor plan. Once your floor plan and electrical plan are separated into layers, you can see and modify them independently. Using layers, you can hide the electrical information when you don't need to see it. You can also edit the electrical plan independently from the floor plan, so you won't accidentally click or modify parts of the diagram you don't intend to. Likewise, layers will make it easier for you to manage HVAC or plumbing for a floor plan, or keep track of proposed changes to your design for a remodel or makeover, or separate furnishings and interior design items from the structural layout. Layers can help you brainstorm changes to a wireframe for your UI redesign, or keep items behind a firewall or on a different subnet for your AWS or network diagram.